Hey, wild ones, this is a quick video on reminding you to use what you have. Alright, little black crate that's been great for transporting plants and so on. We need planters. We're totally out of planters here. So what did I do? I took the bag, the used bag from the potting soil, cut it up, and fitted it into the little black crate. Then I cut nice big slits in the bottom, and I made sure that water drained through nicely all the way along through the whole bottom. Then I put a little bit of straw in the bottom because this is a fairly deep container. Then I filled it up with soil, and then check it out. I've moved in the broccolinis and the tender greens, and I think they're going to be happy here. I think they're going to do really well. At least that's the plan. So, all right, wild ones, we use what we have. We are wild urban gardeners. Don't forget it. Things are going to get spicy. You were made for this time. Love y'all. Bye.